Hello, good day everybody. This is Wong Ki Yu, and it's a pleasure to be online again to share with you one of my favorite flavored rice, which is also a kind of a quickie recipe as well. As I always say, it's not a recipe, it's just a simple, quick idea to help people to eat more flavorfully and also eat more excitedly. Okay, so a lot of people complain that brown rice is very unpalatable because it's very coarse and it is a very so-called very hard to to swallow or very hard to chew and all this, and it's very bland and all this. So how actually I make my rice interesting, and I have got many ways, but one of my favorite way, which is also a lazy way and quickie way, is to combine my brown rice with soy sauce, shoyu, and cold pressed sesame oil, and and my favorite sesame, okay, toasted sesame. So it's very easy. Let me show you how I actually flavor my rice so that on the dining table you don't feel you are very bland, you don't feel that kind of blandness just because you want to be healthy and all this. And I'm quite sure if you follow this quick recipe today, this quick tip today, you'll be able to impress your family as well. And now let's see what we're gonna do. Okay, it's really easy to do it. In a big bowl of rice, probably 200 grams. This is like slightly bigger size than a normal bowl, one bowl of serving. One bowl of serving is about 160 grams. This is 200 grams, but nevertheless, it's around there. It depends on how much flavor you want it. Usually, I put in half a tablespoon of this soy sauce. This soy sauce that I'm using is not salty, that's why it's a little bit more. But then again, if you have a very salty version, then maybe you can actually adjust a little bit. So I have a little bit of this soy sauce in there, half a tablespoon, and then I will also have maybe another 1 tablespoon of this. You want to have a little bit more oil, and this is cold pressed sesame oil, and I like to use cold pressed sesame oil. That's because cold pressed sesame oil is a digestive fire boosting. It actually helps you to improve your appetite. So with this oil in there, and perhaps because of the rice is a lot, I will have maybe 1.5 actually. So you just mix them up. Okay, so of course if you think it's too oily, you can reduce. If you think it is not smooth enough, you can always add on more oil actually. And then also according to your own liking, you can have 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame sprinkled in there and mix them together. And this is a very good formula of giving you a lot of good fat, okay, because cold press oil is not heated to a very high temperature, so the oil structure is well maintained, okay, so it doesn't cause any damage to our arteries, our heart and liver and all this. And the sesame that I made it here, although it's toasted at 120 degrees Celsius in the oven, which is a very protective temperature. That protective in the sense where it would not cause damage to the fat as well. So well, it is done now. Okay, this is how I actually make a very simple meal to be flavorful. Sesame, soy sauce, and sesame oil into my brown rice. Okay, and that make your daily rice very flavorful, very different from every day. Okay, I hope you enjoy this cooking tips, and I'll see you again. Thank you.